Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 20th of August 2023. So today is Sunday. Sunday we want to take a look at all the stock we talked about this whole week. Okay, we don't want to talk about it and forget about it. We want to take a look what is the further development and how accurate or how good is our analysis. If the stock follow our analysis, okay, we continue to manage the stock according to the diagram, according to the chart. Okay, and if the stock suddenly make a U-turn or suddenly something happen, okay, at least we have a chance to see early and maybe cut loss earlier. Okay, so before we start, a quick disclaimer. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit, money, asset or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, let's look at consumer. AAX, Apollo, BJFOOD, Capital A. Okay, let's take a quick look. AAX. AAX already went up very high. Okay, now maybe there's one more final push because we got another target here, MBB 3.58. Maybe there's one more push, but we have to wait for it. Okay, so it could come down, it could go up. Not to say that after bank give a target, it will certainly go there. Okay, bank give a target based on fundamental analysis, but whether these institution, okay, this investor want to calling it up to here, okay, it's up to them. So, but how do we know? Of course, we have to see the chart pattern, right? The chart pattern will give us sign whether this institution or this still want to push it up again. So how do we find the sign? Okay, we got a channel, okay, developing a channel, right? Okay, so if we got big volume push up above the channel, means they are starting another big push up, probably to this area. But now it is still resting, it's still consolidation, but the institution momentum is still very high, the banker momentum is still very high, so there is a potential that it might break out and come up to here. Okay, so the level you want to watch is 2.53. Okay, a big push about 2.53. There's a probability that it want to go up there. If a drop below 2.23 means okay, selling. Okay, the big players are selling. It might come back to 1.7 area. Okay, so we have to wait and see. Now it's resting. BJFOOD going for Philippines. Okay, BJFOOD maybe long term it make a bottom. Maybe there's a chance that it can go up. Okay, we got CMSB, we got 1 ringgit and 2 cent target here. So there is a potential. So it's starting to make a U-turn. How strong we don't know yet. MBB only give it 72 cents. So it's not far from the current price 67 cents. So we have to wait a while. Okay, but this is a new target. This is old target. Old target is in pink. The new target is in blue. So doesn't have a big window. Because just going to Philippines doesn't mean that it is like a big expansion or big development in the business. Okay, so the Paris Baguette. Okay, the how they call that, the coffee shop, right? Okay, and confectionery, right? So this one maybe keep it long term, maybe got something. But BJFOOD is not, as I said, Bajaya Group. For me, it's not a stock that you want to keep for long term. For me, okay, Capital A. Okay, Capital A is still going. Okay, probably this is a high point. You might want to take some target. Might want to take some profit. Maybe a drop, but long term, I do think because it haven't come up from PN 17. By the time that it come up, it can exceed PN 17. Maybe there's one more push to the high. Okay, but it's good that you want to take some profit here also. Okay, because we started to chase after here, right? Okay, we got talk about two, AAX and Capital A. Capital A slower, AAX very fast. Okay, AAX already take profit 200%. So this one, right? Okay, we got around 70% up 70 since the breakout, right? We are around now around here around 71% up. Okay, So this one, you want to take some profit also okay. Want to take some profit here also over 70%. Okay, if it drop rebound, maybe try again. Because you already passed all the bank target. Okay, already passed the bank target. Okay. Because I don't think Asia can go. Capital A can go like AAX. I don't think so. 200%. But this one, let me see this one still no sell signal Maybe you want to wait for sell signal. It might still go up straight because if in a few weeks they announce that BURSA allow them to exit, giving the green light to exit this PN70, maybe there's one more push up. Okay, just watch the auto profit Okay, if you have auto profit, you don't have, watch the big red selling candle Okay. CARLSBG nothing much. Already hit a high already hit the peak Okay, already went up quite high and already reached all this Kenanga target, but didn't reach HUAYANG target. So maybe after a drop, end of the year, okay, for the season, maybe you still got chance to come back to this HUAYANG bank target. We have to wait and see For now, it's still dropping. Genting Malaysia. Okay, Genting Malaysia. Probably the chance that is on its way up for the year end. It went up, it come back down very fast. Okay, but still okay still at the neckline here. But doesn't look good. A quick drop. A drop on the last 2 days. Okay. This is not very convincing. Okay, hopefully it don't drop below this one, this neckline. This one. I just put it here. It should not drop below here. 2.52. Okay, drop below 2.52. Have to be careful. Genting also Genting now is a neckline Hopefully it don't drop below this 4.3 the neckline. Hopefully it don't drop below the neckline. Okay, this one long term because so many target. So many bank target. So I don't think Genting will stall out over here after this PH still in control of the government Okay, but this one you watch Magnum. Okay, Magnum Bank starting to give buy call already. Okay, so Magnum after a head and shoulder, maybe long term I think on the long term and looking at the revenue they're doing better. Magnum I think long term there is a chance for it to long term rebound. Okay, long term I'm not talking 1 week, 2 weeks. I'm talking about years. Okay, maybe long term it got chance. Okay, because we are seeing this their recent quarter report is getting better. The revenue is getting better. SPTOTO. Okay, SPTOTO starting a quick rebound, but slow down already. But we do have a double bottom and we reach a double bottom target. Now we want to wait for long term whether it make another bigger double bottom here, or maybe it make a bigger double bottom, and rebound, or okay, it's just making higher low until breakout of this channel potential. Okay, long term it got chance to continue up. Okay, yeah, you got Kenanga HUAYANG Bank 2.27 this is new target so there is a chance that it can go for this one because we know that now the sentiment already changed from a negative for all this gaming to positive due to this PH and VM managed to still hold the central government consumption. CMSB. Okay, CMSB re-break out, so slowly it's trying to climb up. It got a big resistance here. Okay, and this area big resistance. Okay, 1.15, but it really make a higher low if it does retrace a bit and went up again it's making higher low As long as it's making higher low, higher high, this one got chance to continue go okay. Got chance of CMSB, IGM, HSS also slowly is climbing up. Okay, slowly it's climbing up. Okay, due to its transferring into this renewable energy the business. Okay, IGM very big push. Okay, we reach one bank target. I think as long as you stay above 1.62, I think it's good I think okay, it's long term. It might still got chance to continue up. Potential up to the top channel. Okay, IGM looks positive. MSB. MSB drop after the poor result okay, poor report, quarter report and SENDAI got overseas project, big one, but stock not moving stock not moving. 0.17, you need to push above 0.17 to show that it got strong momentum. Okay, look at energy dialogue. Big rebound, came back down. As long as this one the price don't drop below 2.05 is okay. Okay, as long as you see as long as it comes back to 2.05 rebound, it's making a double bottom, still okay. Okay, or it rebound at 2.18, go back up, still okay. Still making a higher high, higher this uptrend pattern Okay, so look 2.05 don't drop below 2.05. Okay. RANHILL, Solar West. Nothing much, still dropping. RANHILL is too high to chase. Okay, too high to chase, really too high. Maybe wait for a drop first. Solar West also too high to chase. Big sell down already, that's why big sell down. Too dangerous to chase already. Okay, this one already KO already. This break does not look like it's coming to 1.52. So this is a fail. Okay, so that's why when you have auto profit, it's different. You see. They give you the sell signal already, means this one cannot really. That's why you see, when you have this auto profit signal, you don't know how to cut loss. Auto profit will help you to cut loss. Okay, so not only my strategy, this auto profit strategy, not only to take profit, learn how to monitor and take profit. Okay, from a momentum stock, from big push, the stock big push up. You also know how to see a fail. Okay, this is a fail push up. Fail breakup. Fail breakup means the momentum gone. Okay, tak jadi. Okay, tak jadi, we got a sell signal already out. Okay, so there's a difference. Okay, when you have the Kung Fu and you have my this lightsaber. Okay, power up. Okay, you learn the Kung Fu. Now I give you the lightsaber. How to increase your power, right? You have the force, right? Then you got the lightsaber. So you're a stronger Jedi. Okay, so you understand, right? And I explain it to very, very easy for you to understand. Okay, so what is my 15 chapter Kung Fu? 15 chapter Kung Fu, you learn all the power of the force. Okay, power of the force. If you are a Jedi, right, you learn how the fighting, everything, right? Fighting, the power of the force, how to control brain, how to see without opening eyes, all those things. But then after that, when you graduate, what you get a lightsaber, right? So this is the lightsaber, the auto profit strategy, and the secret value investing, plus giving you the auto profit signal, right? Okay. But no pain, no gain. Must learn the 15 chapter, the Kung Fu, the foundation first. Okay, no pain, no gain. You have to understand. Okay. YTL too high already. Also wait for drop. Too high to chase already. YTL power. Okay, ABMB, RCECAP. We go to finance. ABMB got chance. Okay, after breakthrough. Okay, bottom channel, we are heading up to top channel. You see, very simple. Buy bottom channel, sell top channel, buy bottom channel, sell top channel. So it's heading towards the top channel. Okay, so this one, congratulations, you managed to jump in. I think this one still got some still got chance to continue up. Just like last week, right? There's a article published in the news that they, I think from Hong Leong Bank or RSB, right? They say this banking sector still got leg to go, right? Okay, still means still got leg power to climb. Okay, I see too high already. Too high to chase already. Divergence already. So this one too high to chase. And bank target also already passed already. So better not. Okay, PHARMA, UMC, top love. Okay. PHARMA have to wait it out lah. When they really come up with announcement that they got chance to exit PN17, then it will fly lah. But don't wait after the news come out lah. You're buying here at 60 cents lah. Not buying at 40 cents already. Okay. Top glove. Okay. Glove very dangerous Now glove is in the junction okay, in the junction so very dangerous okay. So a drop below, if we continue next week, continue drop then better not hold already, not hold already, dangerous. Now it's still all at the support, okay. UMC got one push up, hopefully it will make a higher high, okay. It already break out, hopefully next week you rebound somewhere around here, okay, around 70, okay, 73 cent area, okay, then it should be able to continue up okay, rebound at around 73 cent area. So just don't drop below 71 cent okay. Industry CGB, CGB too high to chase, so it went up very high. Okay. CGB, Hume Industry, Hume also too high to chase. Suddenly one big push up Hume, Hume. Too late to chase already. One big push up already hit target already. GLX. When's the new stock? GLXT Malaysia. After a big push up just coming down, nothing much to talk about there's no momentum, nothing, no momentum, no push, no volume, nothing much volume also. Okay, for now nothing much. NYLEX. Okay, NYLEX request for this extension of their reorganization plan but did not get okay. So this one there's a chance it might get delisted. There's a problem okay. For now it's staying here we have to wait and see what develop Now it's not dropping anymore, okay, it's just holding here. If they can come up with a remedy, then it's still got a chance to go up because this one got, I mean the gap, I mean the potential is there but we have to wait it out. We have to wait. Okay, and for now it's not good Hopefully they don't get delisted Hashtag. Okay, hashtag drop after their project these airport rail being cancelled but they are not KO yet, they're very weird, so they are still holding the M pattern okay. So it's not big sell off yet, so far still okay maybe, but there's potential after this one the double top it might drop back to lower to 155, 160 area to this 160 area okay, but it's not like totally people are totally dumping the stock totally KO no okay. But it will take a lot of time for them to recover such a big loss okay. SIMEPRO. Okay, SIENTX already broke out. Okay, so this one you have to wait. Okay, still I think long term still got chance to go. You see the bankers are 100% SERBA going to be delisted so they are trying to appeal see whether successful or not Okay, SERBA is energy SERBA nothing so let's see SERBA. SERBA really cannot believe because their account was so beautiful and they are saying they want to go to space they're talking about this Malaysia, this SERBA, is the next Tesla or something, SpaceX, next SpaceX or something, you know. So become now with the risk of getting delisted. Plantation, HARNLEN too high to chase, I remember. Okay, I remember too high to chase. Okay, so it's on its way down, hard to chase. Okay, property, so many. This is the AAME is not property, construction. AME is construction. AME slowly climbing. I said, you want to see you want to try AME, you have to go for long term. Okay, slowly it's climbing AME. But I'm not familiar this one. You know you never hear I talk about this company. So I'm not familiar. Okay, BJLAND. Okay, BJLAND. Wow, this one dangerous. Okay, but as long as you're buying low, it's okay. Don't buy the high. Okay, Berjaya Group, Berjaya, anything that includes have the Berjaya name okay, don't buy after a boring, don't buy after a push. Always buy after a big drop, after big news come out, drop, no more news. At the low point, maybe you want to long term, you can try that, buy some and keep, because any news happen, they will fly, but then after fly, don't chase, because you see it drop like a stone. After fly, we drop like a stone. After fly, we drop like a stone. Okay, you have to understand. These are lately the Berjaya one is like that. Their stock is like that. And this is my impression. Okay. That's why you see from the chat, you can see remember, we can see the opportunity, danger, sentiment, and history enough. Before you understand these four, at least you know what you are doing now, right? You don't just close your eyes and expect the money will drop from the sky. Okay, go over too high to chase. Okay, go over too high to chase already. Back target all reach already, a bit too high to chase. IOI. Okay, I also already reached target too high to chase. Okay, wait for a drop first. We want to buy. You see there's a trend line over here. Okay, always buy when the price come back near the trend line. Don't buy after the price will go very far away from the trend line. Okay, or you say you've got 200 moving average, right? A lot of you use 200 moving average, right? As a how we call it, as a medium price, median means acceptable price, right? So this is way far away. Okay. HUAYANG. Okay, HUAYANG also too high to chase. Wait for the price to come back to this area, rebound it maybe lah. Okay, KP property all fly already. KP property, remember KP already we got managed. Okay, because recently I said this one a breakout of this triangle, breakout 0.705. Okay, got chance. So this one really went up. Any sell signal? Let's see. No sell signal. Wait for the sell signal come out, then maybe out lah. Massing long term lah. I'm keeping massing long term. You want to keep short term, now the target will reach. I tell you, if you want to play short term, target will reach. MIDF target 0.78. Almost there. Then they reach 0.775 already. So almost reach. But I think massing for me, I want to keep it maybe longer term, because the news is saying that I'm telling you, the news is saying that next year, okay, the property the property developers say next year they expect a better performance than this year. Initially, everyone expect end of this year one, but due to all the how do you call it, all the development in property, bad this bubble in China, a lot of this and this fear of recession in China failed economy rebound after the COVID lockdown, all these things I think slow down and the increase in this lending rate, all this probably increase in interest rate, all this probably slow down the construction, maybe not construction, this property towards next year. But you see, next year, this year already going. This is the difference between the big fish and the small fish. As I told you, I redraw the shark already lah. So already very clear the picture lah. I already show you very clear the picture lah. Okay. So I redraw the shark and the small fish so you understand that you want to be the shark or you want to be the small fish. So you can choose lah. You see the shark, right? We already waited. We already saw the bottom. We already went in, right? This SPTOTO, we already saw the bottom, right? Massing actually LBS also. I got talk about LBS also near a bottom, right? Last time. Okay. So you have to be the shark. Okay. If you didn't manage to chase in a single property stock by now, right? After I talk so many, right? So you are still you probably still a small fish lah. Okay, if you want to become a shark, so you have to understand how to become a shark, right? You have to be in front of the market 3 to 6 months, right? Okay, means that you have to be position strategically, position your investment 3 to 6 months before the news, okay, before the actual economic rebound of certain sector. Okay. So you understand, okay. Remember, like and share this with your friend. Now I see the English channel is growing again. English channel has shrink down a bit. Okay, shrink down a bit. Now the English channel, the viewers are getting up again. So thank you for all your support. Okay, don't forget to like and share this with your friend. Okay, and also hey, Mr. Bean, right? Don't forget to share this. Okay. So let's continue. Okay. The more you support me, the more I got this how they call it, the energy, the stamina, the energy, okay, to find more better analysis, better chart, better analysis for you guys. Okay. Okay. Let me see. You know this is part of my daily training okay. I have to do with or without doing the video. I still need to do. Doing the video actually is better than me because I have to force myself not to be lazy. I know you guys waiting for the video, so I have to force myself not to be lazy. If I don't do this video, right, I might be today Sunday, lazy a bit, skip one day maybe. That's why I do the video. I need to force myself every day. I need to practice my kung fu. I want to revise. But with all this practice, once you already reach the level, means every day, right? I only need to morning take a look at the market, evening do video. I only spend a few hours doing some work, doing all these things. Then the rest of the day, I can do anything I want. Initially, last time even I was GM at in corporate in public listed company . Friday, Thursday, Sunday evening, I really not happy already. Why? Because tomorrow I have to go to office to handle a ton of issue. A ton of issue. Money people things delivery politics everything will affect my quarterly performance of my division, right? All these things. So a human problem fighting whatever fight manager fighting this manager want to kill that manager all these things this manager this project unsuccessful who blame who everybody. So you have to handle, you have to understand what are the issue, how to. But the problem is, the main thing is we need to find the solution. Okay, don't only blame, find the solution. Blame no use, only the solution. Everybody make mistake, right? Where were we? Okay, talking about other thing. Okay, of course after I go to the market, learn the high and low of the market, then you become more mature, more mature. The way how we see things, the way we see the market, it's like we already step out of the corporate world. We can see even more. When you go into the market, you can even see more than what I was in the corporate world. And you have time to actually learn more things. Read book hear podcasts listen to all the successful people all these things. When you are in office, of course you got chance because because my boss are all millionaire lah, so I got chance to be close with them, so you know how the millionaire, how the rich people, you know, how they how is their attitude, you know, how they handle things. Also, you learn a lot of things also lah. But when you're out, you are on your own. You have to know, you have to find way, okay, to motivate yourself, you know, to improve, you know, and do the necessary thing lah to transform yourself from a corporate guy to the something that from a investor lah, to an investor. Investor is different. Investor, we look for opportunity, okay, we look for we have to anticipate, okay, we have to learn the kung fu, okay. Once anticipation, then we need to learn the kung fu for good execution, okay. Something that you anticipate but you don't know how to execute, so no use. So you learn the kung fu you tell me when to execute, how to execute, right? Okay, just like, but in corporate different. Corporate every day tons of load, you know, even my handphone, right, my handphone, okay, got WhatsApp group, you can hear the WhatsApp group whole day non-stop. Even after work you go back also non-stop, right? The worst one is go back, then you see the boss, the Dato' Tan Sri calling you, finish. You cannot, after you are eating the dinner very nice, then the dinner also want to puke out. After you get some good whack from them. Okay lah, enough of the joke lah. Okay, let's look at property. NAIM, NAIM. I'm asking if you short term, you take some profit. If you long term, okay, maybe I'm looking for longer term lah. NAIM also after a big drop, this one I'm scared lah. This how I play is very scary. Okay, tell you the truth lah. SIME not recovering after reach the resistance, coming back down. Okay, SIME property. SIME property okay, but already almost reached the high already. Don't chase. Wait for it to drop first. SPTOTO also high already, better not chase. SPTOTO I also talk about SPTOTO. Already reached the top channel, now slowing down. You see? Okay, the top channel, what happened? Straight away we got tail already, not moving already. Why? Because you see the chart is effective. If the chart not effective, it should already boom up to here. Why it stopped here? You see, there's a reason, right? That's why we want to see the chart. Why it stopped here? You tell me why it stopped here. Why no more big green candle pumping up? Okay, there is a resistance over here, whether you like it or don't like it. Okay, there is a resistance over here. So take profit at resistance, right? Whether it can go or not, that's why you don't know, you take profits first, take some profit. But you got auto profit, you still got chance. Okay, maybe next week you still want to pump up, and you got auto profit, you wait for the auto profit, tell you to sell. Maybe you can pump another 5 cents, 10 cents, who knows, right? Okay. Okay, support the channel. Okay, share this with your friend. Okay, Sunday, you know, this one Sunday I'm doing video. So you have to support me. Sunday. Okay, just a joke lah. You don't share, so it's okay, man. I also have to do lah. But okay, if you share, I'll be grateful lah. Okay, Sunday. Okay, we reach this target already. Sunday still going lah. Still okay. No sell signal, right? No sell signal. Okay, continue to hold. Okay. UMS. UMS, okay, UMS also. Remember we talked about the breakout of this triangle, right? Okay, so continue to go. This one, I think is going to tire and come down very soon. Because you see RSI probably coming divergence. Okay, look at technology. Technology not many. But not easy. You know, Sunday. I need to spend around 2 to 3 hours Sunday to do all this, to check analysis, all this. So I do need to spend some time. Even recording video, each video is 40 minutes. Then you have to compile, do the folder, do the cover page, all these things. So it does take 3 hours. Okay, but with this, all this analysis, Monday to Friday, I only work a few hours a day. Means I only look at the market, do video. Even with doing the video, I only work a few hours a day, 2 to 3 hours, maybe sometimes 3 hours. See lah, Depends on how good. Market not good, maybe 2 hours only I spend a day. Okay, the whole day for looking at the market and doing the video and everything. Of course, in the evening, lunchtime, I of course look at the news. Lunchtime, sit down, nothing to do, look at the news. Breakfast, after breakfast, you see that's why you see I put out things breakfast also. During breakfast also, after breakfast also, I take a look at the market lah. This is what I do lah. I do chase the market whole day man. A lot. They are not. I know my friend, they're not working. But they the whole day they still chase the market because they don't see chart. They want to see every buy, sell. They are doing all this tick lah. They look at every tick, then the stock move, so they are still chasing the market the whole day, but I don't. There's a difference, okay? Because I see the chart, I know whether I want to chase or not. I'm not saying they're not good, their way, they got their way lah. Their way also is good lah. They are making good money lah. But I'm saying that's my way. I'm more relaxed lah. I don't chase the market the whole day lah. There's a difference. I'm not saying that their style is no good. Whose style is good? Whoever style can make money is good. Don't care whose style. Okay. MFlex. MFlex already reached the top channel. I don't think it's good to chase lah. I don't think it's good. And overbought lah. Maybe wait for a drop first. Already the goring, I think the short term goring will be finished. Genetech got some momentum but not going anywhere. Okay, got some momentum but not. Still haven't break through 2.56 lah. Still cannot. Greatech they got breakout. Breakout come back down. Tak jadi lah. Also finish. Okay. Sell signal come out already. Finish already. Okay. So after the breakout, it should not continue with the sell signal. Should not come out so fast. Okay, after a breakout. Okay, so this one that jadi also. I reach no need to talk lah. Their big project already get cancelled already. So who will be the benefit? Who will benefit? So you know lah. Most likely, I'm not saying guarantee lah. Most likely our friend at my EG will benefit, right? Me also slowly in the channel but not strong. My EG, let's see, wait and see my EG, see whether they got one big push, to 0.8 then you have to watch. Report, I will put alert already. One big push above 0.84, then we want to watch whether you got chance. Now they haven't goring, I haven't pushed yet. UCREST I talked about long term. UCREST. Okay, UCREST slowly going up lah. You want short term, you want to take some profit also okay. But long term, I think it got very big gap lah. Very big gap to go, just like KLSE lah. Okay, this is a big bonus lah. This is a bonus kind of play lah. It's not just a profit. Okay, it's a bonus kind of play. If it can revive itself, you're talking about 100% one. Okay, 100% one. So we're talking about 100% from the bottom lah. Let's say lah. This one we're talking about 500, 600, 700, 600. If it happen again, if history happen again, when it reach a very low price, it will go to very high. See, every time it reach a very low price, like it will go very high. Very low price, it will go very high. Very low price, it will go back to this high. Okay, go back to all this high. We're talking about 800% one. This one is this is not bonus this is jackpot. Sorry. This is jackpot one. It keeps up for the jackpot one. This one kena okay, tak kena also never mind. Okay, if kena because you already buy at a low price Okay, if kena you're talking about few 100%. You see, look at the chart. You can see the chart. I'm not just staying out of the blank sheet just to how to call it blank bullet I'm shooting a blank gun You see that? Okay, every time it reach a low, okay, it rebound from the low, 300. Okay, this time it rebound, it hit a low right here, 66 cents, 6 cents, right? Boom. Okay, 450. Okay, here another low. Okay, how many? 22 cents. Okay, boom, 1,209. Okay, this one low, boom. If we come back to 20 cents, you're talking about 700%. you can say, oh no lah, this one it already happened a few times already. So what else? How much do you want me to explain again? I mean, what else do you want me to explain? Right? It already happened one time. How many times already? Right? One time, two times, three times. It already happened three times. Okay, so why can't it happen the fourth time? Okay, why cannot? Okay. But no guarantee, I say no guarantee. This is just like Bitcoin, it can boom go few 100%, okay. And it can also lose you few 100%, you have to understand, okay. Unisem, they are not like Unisem. All these are very slow but safe, okay, safer, okay, safer, okay. Unisem also break out and come back down, also force break. Break out, come back, not good. You need to hold 2.97, this channel, if it drop below 2.97, finish. Okay. Transportation hashtag spot. Hey, don't forget to support the channel, okay. Don't forget subscribe, hit the like button, okay. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, okay. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to press the like button. Share this with your friend and leave a comment. And if you want to open an account, you can write CGSMB. Okay, this is one of the top platforms in Malaysia. You can play Malaysia, Hong Kong, US, Singapore. Okay, so this one, the link is at the bottom here, description area. You click the description area. There is more. You click more, you can see CGSMB. You click CGSMB. There's a form. You just fill in some contact information. My friend CGSMB, reminder will call you. So this is all approved by SC. Okay, legal one. CGSMB is a legal platform, and this reminder also all is legal one. So you can open an account or online, no need to go anywhere. At home you can open an account, then you can invest in Malaysia and overseas. Okay. And this reminder is very friendly one, not friendly. I don't introduce. Okay. And also okay, let's continue. Also the brokerage rate is one of the lowest one of the lowest. Okay, hashtag Westport. Hashtag long time, okay, slowly going, slowly, it's not dropping yet, but slowly it's going, but got divergence already, I think. Doesn't look like it's very strong, wanted to go higher, got divergence, maybe take some profit. I think it will drop first. This is a weaker than expected, but I already told you, it's chasing high, please on coffee money, maybe can. Westport not doing anything. Tech, MS Pro. So Tech in trouble. Okay. Tech big drop already due to the problem PN17. Okay. They want to reorganize. They apply for this delay. This extension. Okay. For reorganization, I think. So it didn't get approval also. IMAS Pro is on the drop. You have to wait 6 ringgit. If you can push to 6 ringgit, maybe got something. MCE. Okay, MC holding is coming down. Don't chase. Okay, MC is coming down. Okay, UMW. UMW lately was very strong. Okay, so already push. Looks like still want to push. So like it's pushing to this area, this bank target. Okay, so looks like still okay. Look at auto profit. Okay, still okay, auto profit, no sell signal. Okay, continue. Okay, so that's it for today. Happy Sunday. Okay, I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye bye.